Hello world, it's Dr. Jeff Kalkstein, your Baltimore area chiropractor, and we hosted Ben and his team this weekend, and I'm so grateful that they came in. And we're a team of 5 doctors, multiple assistants, multiple physical therapists, and we practice right now with the concept of mobility, stability, and strength. But I think what we were missing, and it's a team approach already, and what we were missing in our initial evaluation was more of your standard orthopedic and neuro and strength, but we were missing more of a functional measurement. And we started to introduce some neurodynamics into our initial test, but this just cemented the idea that we're gonna do orthopedic. We're gonna sharpen our skills on the neurodynamics, and we are going to definitely add the functional component of what Ben offers. Then the next thing that we really focused on is from those functional limitations, the corrective exercises he was using are different than we're using right now. So we are going to take those and incorporate those into the concept of mobility and stability, that developmental kinesiology, and how the brain becomes involved in controlling the muscle activity. So that's is sort of new to us also. So what we'll implement is we're going to change our diagnostic workup on the patient initially, right? And I think the second thing that we'll do is we're going to sharpen our skills on the neurodynamic part of it. And then we're going to use those assessments from those functional analysis to create if you will, a corrective protocol that Ben presents. He's taken a very complicated subject and he's simplified it and given us a system so that we can incorporate it into our day-to-day activity. We broke up into 3 groups, and he brought assistants with him who were extremely talented in their field. And we broke in separate different rooms, areas of the office, but at the end he brought us together as a team to put it all together. We watched his team put it together, and then our team put it together. It took his team probably 15 minutes to walk someone through the system, and it probably took our team a half an hour. But the goal is, you can see with practice, you can shorten that time frame, and that's very important for us because the sheer volume of the people that we handle in the office. So thank you, Ben, and thank you for his group and team training.